Hey there, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about what happens when your mind wanders during mindfulness practice. It's something we all experience, so let's dive into it and how we can handle it without fueling any judgment or negative thoughts. You might have noticed that sometimes mindfulness can make your mind feel as calm as a still pool. But other times, it can feel like your thoughts are charging through your mind like a wild bull. And guess what? That's completely normal. It's just what minds do. The moment you realize that your mind has wandered, that's actually a moment of mindfulness. So instead of getting frustrated, give yourself a little mental high five for noticing it. Now, if your mind keeps getting distracted by something intense, like pain, try thinking of it as just a sensation. No need to judge it or label it, just acknowledge it. You might even find that your thoughts about the sensation are what's making it worse. But by recognizing those thoughts and letting them be, without pushing them away or chasing after them, you're creating space for the sensations themselves. These sensations were already here, so why not just acknowledge them for now? Remember, the part of you that's aware of these sensations isn't in pain. It's not swept up in these thoughts and feelings. It simply knows them without the labels or the stories we often attach. So, as you continue to sit or lie here, just be aware of whatever thoughts or emotions come up. Stay connected to your breath and your body, moment by moment. Each time you catch your mind wandering, know that it's a sign you're moving away from autopilot and stepping into a more intentional, mindful state. This practice allows you to see the world more clearly and respond more effectively. With time, these moments of awareness will become more frequent and they'll start to flow together, creating a continuous stream of mindfulness. Well done. So, to recap, when your mind gets distracted by something intense, like pain, try seeing it as a sensation. Rest in that awareness without judging it. Remember, the part of you that's aware isn't in pain. It's simply observing moment by moment. I hope this helps you on your mindfulness journey. Thanks for practicing with me, and until next time, take care with gratitude.